Hello, I'm Link. After the popularity of teeth cleaning kit, many friends feel that this is a business opportunity. I want to be involved in the sale of this product. However, I am not familiar with this product and this market. I don't know how to introduce the product. So let's talk about that today. For an on-site introduction to this product, several points are summarized. First of all, we need to understand the consumer, his concerns. Do you want a deep cleaning of your teeth or do you want to focus on whitening your teeth? Our product, its function is deep cleaning. If the client is pursuing whitening and he has no tartar himself, then this product may not be particularly suitable for him. Because his teeth are quite white, it is nothing more than the pursuit of whiter. At this time, you should go to some more professional dental cleaning institutions. If he has tartar, he is not pursuing the effect of making porcelain teeth like celebrities. Then our product must be effective for him. Second, we need to pay attention to the current situation of customer's teeth. Does he have soot, T-scale, yellow teeth, or calculus? From this, we can judge whether our teeth clean kit is effective for it. If it is a tetracycline tooth or a yellow tooth caused by dental disease, severe calculus, our product is difficult to work on it. In another case, some old smokers have been smoking for decades and their teeth are very yellow. In this case, his tartar stains have penetrated into the inside of the tooth glaze. Even go to hospital, your teeth is nothing different. So we have to pay attention to the customer's dental condition. Third, introduce the product without exaggerating its functions. It's a deep cleaning of teeth without any additives. A very safe DIY dental cleaning product for external use. The last one is to be sure to inform the precautions. For example, using tips, don't wipe your gums, your lips. There are some groups of people, such as pregnant women, infants, and patients. Do not use it in some special circumstances or if you have dental disease. Others will be used normally. Another issue is the frequency of use. If your teeth are healthy, it's okay to use them every day. However, if it is a child, it is recommended to use it once every 1 or 2 months. But more concerned is how this product will be accepted by customers. The best way is to experience it yourself and do the test on the spot. If it is tartar, it will definitely work on the spot under normal circumstances. If on-site use has no effect at all, it is recommended with caution. If you want to see the effect, take a look at this sponge strip after wiping. See if there is any slight yellowing, black or gray on the sponge. If so, where did this thing come from? Because this sponge must still be white after adding water. If there is discoloration, there is only one possibility. It is rubbed off the teeth. Okay, that's it for today.